Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope we're all doing good. I hope we're all keeping safe. So guys, I have missed you guys so much. I am slowly returning to YouTube. Please bear with me. Like, it's been a crazy time, but you know, I thank God. But anyways, today's video I am coming to you with this beautiful butterfly locks. I am going to show you guys how I achieved this butterfly locks using expressions braiding hair. Yes, you heard me right. You don't have to spend a lot of money to actually do the whole butterfly locks. You can get it cheap, or you can make it cheap. So anyways, let's just get right into the tutorial. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So anyways guys, I just after opening the pack of expressions and sorting it out, like stretching it and stuff like that, I took some attachment and I just curled it around a straw, like a normal typical drinking straw, any straw you have in your house, curl it around it. Then I put it in a bucket, poured some hot water in it, and this is what it should look like when it dries. It should look like springy and curly, and so anyways, once it was dry, it was time to make the hair. So for you to be able to make the hair, you can either get I think they call them free tress water waves. That's what most people use, but I didn't have that and I think it's quite expensive or so. But yeah, so you can use this to achieve the style. So anyways, I decided to separate the hair strands. Okay guys, so I have proceeded to just separate the strands. So just basically just pull them apart. It doesn't have to be like super neat and everything. That's the idea of butterfly locks. It's not a neat style, it's kind of like a very rugged style. So it doesn't really matter how your attachment looks like when you're done pulling it apart. So anyways, I'm sorry that this part didn't really start from the beginning. I would definitely, she's still going to do another strand. I got tired from doing the rest, so my assistant had to, luckily for me she was around, so she helped me do the rest on camera. So basically it's very straightforward. Basically, the way you do faux locks, you just wrap around, but when you now get to some part of the hair, you start to like loosen your hand. You don't make it tight, but not tight. Like, you can put your thumb in it, just to make it like scattered and everything, and if it's not really scattered the way you'd like it to be, you can always pull strands out, just like pick and pull strands out just to make it like messy to your liking. So I'm just going to let you watch this one. Then when we come back to the second strand, I'm just going to come back and probably like explain a little bit if you don't understand it. So alright guys, so first off, insert, after braiding your natural hair, you can, if you want it to be long, it really doesn't matter how long your hair is though. The length of this attachment you're going to add is what will like determine how long you want your faux locks to be, or your butterfly locks to be. So anyways, as you can see, she's passing some attachment through the hair, just to create the length of what we want, or what I want. So after passing the attachment through, she's just going to take some of the separated strands, and we're going to start twisting. We're going to start wrapping the hair. So make sure I'm using a very bold color. If you're using black, whatever color you're using, try and hide your natural hair in between the two strands of attachment, so your hair doesn't show. So as you can see, what she's doing, she's just basically really making the top part really tight, twisting it so it doesn't like unravel. Then from here on out, she now proceeds to start the butterflying. So as you can see, she's wrapping the hair around her thumb. So as she's going down, she's putting her thumb in, she's pulling out some, or she's putting the wrapping the attachment around the thumb, basically just doing that, going down, wrapping, going down, putting her thumb, wrapping, going down. So it doesn't have to be neat, it doesn't have to be like really neat, because that's the idea of butterfly locks. It's not meant to be neat. And like I said before, if it's too neat for your liking, just pull out strands, like what she's doing now. Pull out strands, just to make it look scattered. That's the beauty of butterfly locks. So anyways, as she goes down, sorry, I don't know if it really showed, but as she's going down, there'll be some extra strands of hair left. So the thought of, as you're you have to measure the length so everything is equal. So as you're going down towards the end, there will definitely be strands of hair from the middle attachment that you put inside. So with that, what you're going to do is you're going to fold it upwards. I'm sorry, I don't know if it really showed here, but basically you're going to just fold it upwards and then start weaving upwards, or start twisting upwards. I don't know, I'm sorry, it did not really show, but yeah, so basically you guys, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, so taking and twist upwards till like as if you're going back to the beginning as you're twisting. So from, instead of how you started, you twisted from up to down, now you're going to be twisting from down to up to fully secure the hair, so it doesn't loosen or it doesn't unravel. So another way you can secure the hair is by burning the tips, with like a lighter or something. But with this method, you're basically securing it and it is not going to move an inch. Like the hair is going to be secure on its own. So guys, we are done with the hair. Now I'm just going to be taking this foam wrap mousse and I'm just going to use that to cover all over the hair, just to tame the hair down, make it lay flat, because it's just so brand new, some parts are like standing up. So yeah, I'm just going to use the mousse to just lay down any stray hair and any strands that are just flying up and down. So yeah, so the hair looks very rugged and neat if that makes any sense. Okay guys, so this is the final result, this is the final hair. Guys, I really love this style. Like honestly, why I use this color, I didn't have any color of attachment at home, and I really wanted to play with, you know, this butterfly locks. I really wanted to do it, and I wanted to do it for you guys. So yeah, you can do it in any color, black, pink, whatever color suits you. But yeah, this is what I have, and I actually like it. Makes me look very fiery and feisty. All right guys, so this is me, my makeup done and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I will be so glad if you do subscribe. Until my next video guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.